Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to learn on how to add a countdown timer into our Notion page. And to do that, we're going to be using a third-party API that's called Indify. So you can just simply type indify.co or just search up Indify and you will then get the first results. I'm just going to type in the address indify.co, and afterwards, since you're a new user, obviously you're going to need to create a new account. For me, I've already created my own account, so I'm just going to press log in. So after you're logged in, you're going to need to scroll down a bit until you see volume 2 right here. You'll see there is a countdown option widget. So we're going to select that one, press create widget, and we're going to name this one. So I'm going to stick with tomorrow as well. On the right side, you will see the preview section. This is where it will show you how the countdown will look like after you make some changes. I'm going to type in time before tomorrow, and then for the date I'm going to type in 24th October, as it will, because that it's tomorrow. Today is 23rd, so tomorrow will be 24th. And now there we go. You see the timer. There's the title. There's the event title, time before tomorrow, and there's the timer down below right there. You can do some settings by selecting, let's say you don't want to see the seconds, you just want to see hours and minutes. So we're going to disable seconds right here. And there we go. And then you only see hours and minutes. Or maybe you just want to see seconds and hours. You don't want to see minutes. So we're going to disable this one. And there we go. So and down the minutes there will be divided into seconds or multiplied into seconds. So even though there's no minutes, you will still not get confused on how much time is left before tomorrow occurs. You can do some larger title, maybe set background color. Say you want to set background color to blue, and then it will change it to blue right there. So we're just gonna set it to default color, and then make the large text. And after you're done with the modification, just press this clipboard symbol right here. This means copy. So you press that. It's going to copy the link right here. And then you need to go back to your Notion and then type in /embed. And you can click right here and then paste the link that you just copied from the calendar. And press embed link. And there we go. That's our counter right there. So now you can see there are 6 hours and 1,600.5 seconds left to go before tomorrow. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, then please drop a like and leave any comment if you have any more questions. For now, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.